Hi, I'm Patrick Kennedy, Captain, Alameda County Fire Department. This Thanksgiving, we have some important safety tips to help keep you and your family safe. Welcome to Station 25 here in Castro Valley. Today we're going to go over some do's and don'ts when deep frying your Thanksgiving turkey. We never want to put a frozen turkey into an overfilled pot of oil. When deep frying a turkey, you should always have a fire extinguisher nearby for emergencies. If a fire does start due to oil or grease, you never want to put water on it, as that will make the fire bigger. What you want to use is an ABC type extinguisher that you can buy anywhere at your local hardware store. To deep fry your turkey, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. First step is you completely thaw your turkey. Fill the pot with the turkey in it to see how much oil you actually need, but using water first. Then, once you fill your pot with your oil, you heat the oil to 350 degrees. Prior to putting your turkey in that oil, you want to turn off the burner. Then slowly put your thawed turkey into the oil. Once it's all the way in and you're clear, restart that fire underneath the turkey. Make sure you cook your turkey to an internal temperature of 170 to 180 degrees. Then when done, turn off your flame prior to removing your turkey. Then enjoy. Okay everybody, we're going to show you what happens when you put a frozen turkey into hot oil. We have one frozen turkey here. This firefighter is going to go ahead and dunk it into the oil. As you can see, it ignites the flame underneath, and now we have a fire, and this is what we're trying to avoid. On behalf of Alameda County Fire Department and Local 55, we wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.